Welcome back with another video. I am the traveling trader back again with another stock crypto video. Let's first take a overlook at the broad market. As you can see, Bitcoin down just a little bit, almost 1% today, this morning. Uh, we've added a few new tickers to watch. Not really tickers, but I've just added some new things I've been watching and some new things I've been trying out. Things, first thing up is going to be the crypto total market cap. We're talking about trillions of dollars. As you can see, let's zoom out. So this is what I've gotten this is what I've gotten so far on here. So if you zoom out, this is 2021. The total crypto net worth was about $3 trillion to then push down back close under one, closer to 800 billion to find that bottom ground and then to push up again. So what do we see here on these charts with the total crypto market cap? First things first, we got nice and consolidated here at the 1 trillion mark. Then that was able to push us up here past 1.5. We are looking to get back to $2 trillion. $2 trillion market cap is where we want to be. That's that place of interest. As you can see, a little consolidation here, a little consolidation there. This is good though. This is good. Between Bitcoin, because I mean Bitcoin does a lot of the heavy lifting, if we're being honest. And that's that $60,000 Bitcoin, $4,000 Ethereum. All those is right in here. But we want to get back to $2 trillion. This is such a big time frame. It doesn't really make sense going down, but as you can see, we're getting nice and consolidated right here on that 1.5 mark, closer to 1.6. This is what we want to see. We want to see push it up in consolidation. We want to get nice and consolidated here. That's what's going to give us the momentum and foundation to then push up towards this next target, which again is that $2 trillion crypto mark. $2 trillion in crypto. And this is, relatively new, relatively still the beginning. I'm excited to see what crypto has in store for 2024. But as of right now, we are just trying to consolidate and build on up here. So let's take down 4-hour mark. Here we go, a nice push up to that 1.8 before pushing back down. But what I'm seeing here is, look at these rejection points. First rejection point here is 1.5. Total crypto market did not like dipping under 1.5. Didn't necessarily like 1.8 either, but that is good because we are still in between these two lines. We don't want to be down here at 1.3. We are waiting for $1.92 trillion. And then yeah, so on that 1 hour, this is what we want to do. We want to ride this 1.6 line. I would preferably like to be above it, but right here under it is not bad at all, as long as we're staying away from that 1.5, 1.3 mark. Yeah, but let me show you what we can use this for. So we have the total crypto market. Like I said, a lot of that is going to be Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Ripple, and Solana. But, all the cryptos definitely help overall for this number to push up. But what we are going to do with that information is then come over here and start looking at our Bitcoin futures. Looking at our Bitcoin futures, as you can see, Bitcoin had a nice push up here to let's open this up. This is our weekly chart on the Bitcoin futures. But what we want to take a look at specifically is, where is Bitcoin headed next? Where can we make some money on the futures? I know these Bitcoin ETFs are getting approved. A lot of them are backed by Coinbase, come to find out. So that could potentially be something to think about down the line. Again, I like the pairs. If a lot of these ETFs are buying or allowing Coinbase to hold their Bitcoins, I would imagine Coinbase as a stock, as a company, becomes more valuable. Only thing I worry about is when you allow someone else to hold your assets, then sometimes that can become a problem. That's the same thing that happened with some of these other failing institutions that we will that will remain nameless. We don't want to bring any of them up, but come on, we all know them. There's from if you've been in crypto more than 5 years, you've seen at least two institutions crumble, go bankrupt, and are just wiped off the crypto face of the earth. But back to these futures, we are looking to be able to make some profit off of them. If we can get a decent prediction on the price of Bitcoin and which way it's going, you can buy some futures. They typically are about a month to month basis, and they're relatively cheap. I mean, if we're looking at futures for February 2024, those futures are less than $300. So again, money to be made. I do my future trading on Coinbase. They're still in a beta stage, but they're allowing you to make certain trades. So nice, easy time to get in and just try it out. I mean, it's essentially the same concept as holding a stock option, less cheaper, and you got more of a time frame with the Bitcoin. Such a big asset, it's a big price. You got a little bit more time for that price to move. But yeah, so total crypto market sitting at 1.6. That's actually down for the day, the last 24-hour period. And then we got the Bitcoin futures we've been looking at too. Like I said, I'm adding new charts. Looking over new assets. I'm looking up new ways to make money. If you guys are subscribed and want me to go over an asset, just drop it down below in the comments. All right. I don't mind going over assets. I got my watch list and the things that I'm interested in. But if you guys got other things you're interested in and you want me to go over it, just, let me know. All right. So, pretty short video today. It's early.